Hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know how many times you guys have asked for that particular makeup look. I still get the comments for creating that makeup look. So as usual, I had to recreate that look from one of my shorts video. So I think you guys are already super excited just like me to watch how did I create that makeup look. So chalo shuru kora jak. And by the way, I think this makeup look is going with this monsoon summer season vibe, that light makeup with yellow eyes. So if you do try it out, don't forget to tag me on your IG story, guys. So once my skin prep is done, at least after 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to start my makeup. And for creating a smooth base, along with the skincare routine, we need to apply the primer as well. I have applied a matte finish to oil absorbing primer to get rid of sweating and oiling issues. You can apply any primer according to your skin type, especially if you have pores. But please do apply the primer. Once you are done with the primer application, you can start your base makeup. Some use the corrector and then the concealer and then the foundation. Some use the concealer and then the foundation. Some use just the concealer and some use just the foundation sometimes. So আমি আজকে শেষের অপশনের একজনের মধ্যে পড়ছি because today I'm going to apply the foundation only. Yeah. But unfortunately, I have taken too much foundation today. Oh my god. But do not worry because I have the beauty blender with me and beauty blender will absorb the excess product from my skin. So I will keep blending until the excess product gets absorbed. Now for getting a sun-kissed bronzed look, I will be applying a concealer which is only one shade darker than my skin tone. Yeah, if you don't want heavy contouring but still want to get a bronzy effect on your skin, you can use the cream contour which is one shade darker than your skin tone. So you guys can see if the skin prep is done in a right way, the products get blended in no time and also without any extra effort. So I will be sharing an exciting information with you guys which can be benefited for many. See, nowadays it's very difficult to tell the age of the actresses. Why? 65 की उम्र में 25 की लगना कोई इत्तेफाक नहीं बल्कि उनका स्किन केयर है. आपकी स्किन आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है हेल्थ वाइज एंड ब्यूटी वाइज भी. बट यू हैव टू नो योर स्किन बिफोर यू स्टार्ट द स्किन केयर. अपनी स्किन को बेहतर जानने के लिए मैं सुन रही हूँ बुक समरी स्किन केयर डिकोडेड जो अवेलेबल है कुकू एफएम पर. कुकू एफएम इंडिया का नंबर 1 ऑडियो शो प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ 4000 प्लस ऑडियो शोज अवेलेबल है हिंदी, इंग्लिश एंड कई सारे रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में. ये एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड नॉलेजेबल ऐप है जिसको 4.5 प्लस रेटिंग्स मिली है. आप मेरा एक्सक्लूसिव कूपन कोड यूज कर सकते हो जिससे आप अवेल कर सकते हो 50% डिस्काउंट. वैसे तो वो ईयरली सब्सक्रिप्शन 399 की होगी पर मेरे फर्स्ट 250 यूजर्स को मेरा कूपन कोड यूज करने पर 199 की मिलेगी. या द लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. क्लिक करो एंड ऑडियो शो सुनते सुनते स्किन को ग्लो करवाओ. So always remember to follow a proper skincare routine to get such a smooth canvas. So I have blended the concealer nicely using the brush on my cheekbones, forehead, jawline, nose and under the lower lip as well. And now I will be applying this compact powder from Kiro Beauty. Actually with this compact powder you don't need any concealer for covering up any dark circles or dark spots. Using my beauty blender I will be applying that compact powder on the areas where I haven't applied the cream contour. Yeah, so you guys can see how nicely it is absorbing the excess oil from my skin and at the same time it is giving the it is providing a decent coverage to my skin. I think for everyday makeup, these Kiro products are absolutely apt because it takes care of your skin while fulfilling the makeup purpose as well. So I will be applying on my neck as well to get coverage on my neck. So yeah. And now just to set my cream contour, I will be applying the powder contour on top of my cream contour, and yeah, just light-handedly I will be applying that powder contour. That's it. And as this is going to be a monsoon summer season special makeup look, so try to keep it as simple as possible and as light as possible, guys. And now I will be applying the blush from Kiro Beauty as well. Honestly guys, for summer season, monsoon summer season, Kiro products are the best because it's non-sticky and it doesn't smudge easily. By the way, the shade details with the product lists I have put down in the description box below, so you guys can check them out from there. And in case of blush also, I have put a very little amount of it on the apples of my cheeks. As I told you guys, I want a very light makeup for that monsoon season. And now I will be applying the highlighter, which is also from Kiro Beauty, and oh my god, this highlighter is a blessing, guys. It has a skin like finish and blends so nicely that it instantly gives a dewy effect to the skin. So yeah, that highlighter is a love, guys. So see, the base is looking so flawless, and also it's very perfect for the rainy season especially. So now I will be applying the setting spray all over my face to set my base and to make it long lasting. And I will be doing my eyebrows off camera, and now I will start my eye makeup. And for that I will be using that eyeshadow stick from Kiro Beauty, and that is a brown shade, and it has a very creamy texture, guys. I will be applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid, and will be applying it in the crease areas as well. Now while blending it with the brush, oh my god guys, it's so blendable and so creamy in texture that it blends in no time. It literally makes the eye makeup easier than ever, guys. So using that eyeshadow stick, I have just defined my crease line and the outer C of my eyelid. Now to deepen and darken it, I will be applying a brown eyeshadow on top of it, and for the lower eyelid as well, I will be applying that eyeshadow stick and will be blending it using the same eyeshadow brush. And to intensify that color, I will be using a brown eyeshadow on top of it. Now I will be applying the main attraction of today's eye makeup. Taking a bright yellow eyeshadow, I will be applying it on the inner corner and as well as on the 70% part of my upper eyelid. You can use a white base to make it more intensified, but I will be using my finger for putting the last coat to make it look more intensified. And lastly, taking that brown eyeshadow again, I will be smudging the harsh edges nicely to get a seamless look. Next, for a foxy eyeliner look, I will be using my all-time favorite eyeliner pen from Kiro Beauty. With its super fine tip, eyeliner application becomes easier than ever, guys. So we'll create a winged line at the outer corner of my eyes, and then we'll draw a thin line on the eyelash band, and after that we'll create a little wing at the inner corner, and that's it. Now curling my eyelashes, I will be applying the mascara from Kiro Beauty, which is my another all-time favorite, and this is an amazing mascara, guys. So I will be applying a multiple coats of mascara on my eyelashes as I won't be using any falsies, and this mascara gives a dramatic look to the eyes instantly. So yeah, I love that mascara, guys. And for the lips, I will be outlining it using a deep brown lipstick first, and then we'll be filling it up with that amazing lip shade from Kiro Beauty. So yeah, it has a creamy texture which keeps your lips moisturized for all day long. So yeah, I love that particular shade. The shade details are in the description box, so go check them out. So let me know in the comments, guys, how was that makeup look, and also don't forget to download the Cuckoo FM and listen to their amazing stories. And I hope I could make you guys happy, whoever have requested for that particular makeup look multiple times. So yeah, do like and share that video, and if anyone is new here, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get the notifications whenever I upload such amazing videos for you guys. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.